This is TTIM TV. We are here at MetalX 2011. I'm here with Kenneth Bachmann, Managing Director of SECO Tools Southeast Asia. Thank you very much for coming to talk to us. Can you tell us a little bit about the products you have here from SECO Tools?
Yes, I don't know where to start. We have a lot.
Yes.
A lot of new products this year, and just to give you an idea, we have new products coming out second half of this year,
Yes.
continue into next year,
Yes.
in 28 different product lines.
28 different product lines.
Yes, and that translates into roughly over 1,000 items. So that's
1,000 items.
quite a number.
That's a lot.
So it's a lot. I mean, I could highlight this one for instance.
Yes.
This is the new Square 6.
Yes.
It's a double-sided square shoulder milling cutter,
Yes.
giving 6 edges, cutting
Yes.
edges. So it's an economical cutter.
Yes.
At the same time, with very high performance due to the design of the cutter, very positive design,
Yes.
and of course also the grades and the geometries of the cutter will enhance the performance.
Right. And what would people be using this to make?
This is a very, very general cutter. It's square shoulder milling.
Yes.
You can use it for facing, of course, but it's more for square shoulder 90-degree
Yes.
applications.
Yes. Okay. And what else have you got here that's special and new?
We have, of course, more products behind it. We have the Mini Master Plus,
Yes.
which is a modular two-piece designed end mill system.
Yes.
And that's I can say a follow-up on our Mini Master that was launched late 80s, I think, 88 if I'm not wrong,
Yes.
which is the industry standard today.
Yes.
So this is just it's an upgrade of that, giving better precision,
Yeah.
higher performance. We are talking about radial runouts between 15 microns, axial between 25 microns. Diameter range 10 to 16, different length of the shanks,
Yes.
steel, carbide, for all kind of applications.
Yes.
And they also come in end mill versions, two flutes, multi-flutes,
Right.
as well as ball nose for 3D copper milling.
Okay.
So that's a follow-up on our, if I say, old Mini Master system.
Right. And so, what is the future for SECO Tools? What are your ideas for the future and developing new products?
We will of course continue to develop new products. As I said, we have a lot in the pipe for next year. A lot of new products in all the lines. I mean, milling, turning, drilling, new grades, etc., etc. So it looks. I mean, we are very, very optimistic, and we have good tools.
Yes.
For the future, that's for sure.
Right. And how is the market in Thailand and Southeast Asia at the moment? How do you see it developing?
I can say, if you go back a little bit, we had in 2010 we had a really, really good development in Southeast Asia. We continued a good development also in 2011. So we are pleased with the performance so far. And of course we have also all the external negative factors, the global economy.
Yes.
We have the tsunamis, we had the flooding disaster here in Thailand. Even so, we see a positive development for the future and for 2012.
So, despite the floods in Thailand, you're still very confident about it?
They will of course, be affected. We will be affected, but this hopefully is short term, and by first quarter next year, everyone should be up and running again.
Okay.
And Thailand is one of our most important markets here in Southeast Asia. It's a developing market. It's very good, and we focus here for SECO Tools, and even more, I would say, we have more segment and customer focus in combination with new products, and a good team here, of course. So we foresee a good and positive development next year.
And other than Thailand, which other countries in Southeast Asia are providing big growth for you at the moment?
If you look at, I mean, for the moment, Singapore still is a very good contributor.
Yes.
Malaysia, and they will continue to grow, of course, but we also see Indonesia as a coming market.
Indonesia?
Yes.
Okay.
So for us, I mean, if you look a little bit long term, we are talking about Thailand, of course, and then Indonesia. After that, Vietnam.
Okay. Which industries in Indonesia are you seeing most of your growth from?
You have, of course, a lot of mold and die, general engineering, but the biggest one is automotive.
Automotive,
yes.
Yeah. Okay. And Vietnam?
It's a very new market. We just set up our own company there, and
Yeah.
it's up and running since 1 month.
Yes.
And it will develop, of course, but it will take a little bit longer time. But you have also various segments there. Oil and gas, you have mold and die, you have also automotive, two-wheelers there. So it's an interesting market.
Well, thank you very much for talking to us. Thank you.
Very much.
Thank you.
Thanks.